everybody! Oh my god, it has been so long since I legit sat in front of a camera and spoke that it's actually kind of feeling very weird, and I cannot even tell you. It's a little scary sitting in front of the camera, but today I'm filming a Q&A video. Yesterday I went both on YouTube and Instagram and asked you guys to send me a couple of questions, because you know what, I've never really filmed a Q&A video on my channel and I thought it would be a very fun thing to do, and you guys seem to have a lot of questions. I mean, I haven't read them all, so I'm just gonna open Instagram right now and go through a couple of questions and see what you guys have asked me. And the first question is from Gautami_21. She says, who is the biggest influencer in your life and why? Okay, I think the biggest influencer has always been my sister, even though she is younger to me. I mean, we both share this kind of a unbreakable sister bond. We are super tight and we pretty much share everything with each other. We do influence each other a lot, I guess, that way, because we share with each other everything, and then it also matters what the other person says. I don't kind of do everything that she tells me to do, and it's the same both ways, I guess, but we are very tight, and that is why I think she influences me a lot. The next question is from Nancy Diana09. She says, hi Ranju, Nancy from Bangalore, hearts. Oh my god, I love a Bangalorean who watches me. It just makes me feel like, yeah, you're my home girl. So she says she wanted to know how you manage work life and married life when you're planning to start a family. Lots of love. I must say, I manage my work life and my family life, my YouTube life, everything, because I have a super supportive family and they are extremely helpful, and yeah, that is why really it's all possible. If I had to do everything all by myself, I think I just wouldn't be able to do any of them at all, you know. Not possible at all. Gautami Me says, wanted to know if losing weight actually helped PCOS. Did it regulate periods? And oh, there's also another similar question saying, hi, I'm suffering from thyroid and do you think it will help my situation if I lose weight? Okay, the answer is yes, losing weight really helped with my PCOS. I cannot really say if it is the same for thyroid, but considering it is also a hormonal imbalance, I am thinking it really must help it. And also, did it regulate your periods? Yes, absolutely, 100%. I used to get there was no set date for my periods. I used to get them like a couple of days late or a couple of days before all the time, but now it exactly falls on the 28-day mark. I think that's a little bit too much information to be putting out there, and thank God for that. Hachi130 says, are you still on keto, and if no, what sort of diet are you following for sustaining your weight loss? No, I'm still not on keto. I feel like I have lost as much weight as I could with keto, and to be honest, I cannot look at palak paneer in the eye anymore. So that's why I'm not doing the diet anymore. But you guys can follow or check out my what I eat in a day videos. Those are the kind of food that I eat. I mostly eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I eat millets that are pretty much very high in proteins and dietary fibers. I also eat a lot of dal, and right now I am 100% complete convert. I'm a vegan, so that's how I've been maintaining my weight, and also I kind of mix exercise with it, so it helps keep the weight off. Ketaki_Gulfade says, which are your go-to outfits for summer? Must have summer clothes or accessories? Oh my god, your question could not have come in the right time. You know what, recently I filmed a summer lookbook video. I think I will get it up on Monday, so you want to stay subscribed for that. Just saying. underscore 2908 says, my question, why haven't you still posted the indoor dare video that you promised us about? You posted about it on 1st August on Instagram. Bharti, first of all, massive apologies, and anyone else who has sent dares to me on that particular image on Instagram, massive apologies that that video hasn't come out. The reason is I asked you guys to send me dare because I was planning on doing a 3-way collab with 2 other YouTubers. I am somewhere still hopeful that that will happen, but whenever we plan to catch up, either one of the 3 of us would be like always busy. 2 of us would be able to catch up, but the 3, it somehow never happened. And the other 2 of them also had ideas similar to this to get that video done, but it has somehow the 3 of us are not able to find time where all 3 of us are free for a complete day and we can film the 3-way collab. It hasn't happened. I hope it happens soon because I got some really cool questions that day and I still have the screenshots of all of them. I still want to film the dare video, but let us see. I hope it happens soon. Ecorean01 says, Ranju, how hard was it to lose weight? You know what? Losing weight when you're motivated is super easy. If you're chuffed, you want to lose that 2 kgs, if you're seeing results, then yes, it's absolutely very easy. But the day you lose motivation to lose weight is very, very, very hard. And if you're thinking, oh my god, how do I overcome this, then surround yourself with friends or anyone who is supportive of your weight loss journey, and they should make this so much easier for you. Oh my god, you guys. Vivek Atreya, my husband, has asked me a bunch of questions. How fast is Superman? How black is the blackest black? If Earth is rotating, then if you get suspended in air for 12 hours, would you be on the other side of the Earth? Why? Okay. The first question, I will say, how fast is Superman? Not really very fast at all, considering he knew that this girl was in the movies. I'm speaking about the movies, okay? And I think it's true of the comics also. I haven't read the comic series. But he clearly knew this reporter girl was completely head over heels in love with him. But he did not make a move at all until very nearly the end of the first Superman movie, when he saves her and kisses her or whatever. And yeah. So as much as he's physically very fast, when it comes to love, he's not very fast at all. So yeah, I would say he is a snail. And I will take another question. How black is the blackest black? Well, it is exactly the opposite of the whitest white. That's my answer. Speculate it however you want, mister. And the third question, I'm not answering because I know you're looking to debate, and I'm sure you'll come back in the comments and just debate the hell out of it. That's Vicky. Okay, this question is from Manjax underscore IJJ. He says, who do you think is going to win the elections? Okay, Karnataka elections happened on Saturday. I went and voted. That's what this is. And I'm not going to tell you guys who I voted for. Those of you who don't follow politics, this is probably like whoosh, and you guys are probably not even interested. But I would say I want Karnataka to have the same government that is in the central government, because from the past, as long as I can remember, Karnataka has never shared the same government as with the center, and as a result of which I think the progress in Karnataka is like very, very slow when it comes to developmental works, and that's why I want the same government as in the center to be in this state. Hopefully that way Karnataka will have some developmental works happen at light speed or something. A couple of questions from YouTube. Okay, Sneha H says, how do you Vicky not fight or have arguments? Oh my god, girl, you have a completely wrong assumption about us. We fight, not a lot, but we definitely do fight, and we do have all kinds of arguments. We are not abnormal that way, we are very normal. We have pretty much the same issues as any other couple would, I guess, but somewhere after the heat of the moment passes by, we do sit and talk things out and things do fall into the normalcy that it can. Soumya Gopal says, what do you do for being positive always and your kitchen is too clean? How do you maintain? Thank you, Soumya. The thing that I do to stay positive always is kind of meditate, try to forget and forgive. It is very easy to say and very hard to do, but I try, and I guess that kind of helps. And also of late I've learned to ignore a lot of people and don't take it into my heart, especially when they say a lot of mean things. I think that's just their personality. It's got nothing to do with me, and that's how I kind of stay positive. I have completely brought the attention to myself. Whatever good I have to offer, I offered. And in whatever time I have left on this earth, I know I'm saying that like as if I have some kind of an illness or I might die. Not really true. I am not suffering from anything fatal that way, but you never really know what can happen to you tomorrow, you know, and you never really know how long or short your life can be, and whatever time you have here, why should you be spending it depressed? I mean, take it from someone who goes through bouts of depression every now and then. It's no fun at all to be in that kind of a headspace, and whenever you can be happy and just full of life, enjoy it, live your life with as much enthusiasm as you can muster, because trust me, some of my best days are the days when I can stay positive and enthusiastic. Infanta Sharon says, you first surprise after your marriage by your husband. Okay, firstly, you guys should know, Vicky is not the kind of a guy who surprises you. He does not even put a second of thought in that direction, I guess. So as a result, he's never surprised me, but he is someone who is very good at pranking and scaring you. I'm gonna share with you guys a story. This happened like very recently, probably like last week. So even before I start off this story, I must say that entire day I had spent watching paranormal stories by other YouTubers, and I was already in that kind of a headspace where I was like, ooh, the paranormal world, you never really know who is being haunted, what can happen to anyone. I just came home and Vicky was still not home, so I just came home, kept the door open, I put my laptop bag on the divan that we have in our living room, and I took my lunch box and went to put it in the sink. And those of you who watch my kitchen tour video or any of my vlogs, you guys know how my kitchen is. It is facing this way. Behind me is my refrigerator, and behind that is my living room door. So I just opened the box and I was just, you know, leaving some water in it and considering if I should wash it. And slowly I hear like the house is pin drop silent and there's nobody in the house. I mean, like I said, I just walked in, and the only reason why I left my main door open is because, you know, when Vicky and I are not here the whole day, the house stays closed, and then I feel like the house needs some ventilation, so I just left it open. And it was not even 2 minutes since I had entered, and my fridge door opens all by itself, and it's not like I have accidentally somehow opened it on my way, or it's not like I have even brushed past it. And my fridge is fairly new, and you know, all refrigerators have that kind of airtight sealed door, so fridge doors generally do not open on themselves. And then I hear it being opened from behind me, and when I look back, it is slowly opening, and I am like, oh my god, instantly my heart leaps to my throat. I am like unable to breathe. I'm like super scared. I'm considering bolting out of my house and never returning. And from behind the wall, I see Vicky standing and laughing his heart out at my face. And then he looks at me and he says, tell me honestly, you got scared, no? And I'm like, what the hell is wrong with you, man? My god, you guys, the moment I saw him, I was like huge relief, like thank god this house is not haunted. At the same time, I'm like mad at him. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the man to bits, but I wanted to take a saucepan and throw it at him. I mean, comment down below and let me know, you guys, if you're home alone and if you see your fridge door open all by itself, how would you react? I would like to know, honestly. Oh my god, I have filmed about 45 minutes. I have got crazy editing ahead of me. So yeah, I am thinking that's enough for today. I'm gonna end the video here. Apologies if I have not taken your question for this video. Depending on how this video goes, I might consider doing another one, and then please do send in your questions then, and I will definitely answer yours in the next one. And until then, thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new, and if you want to stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.